Yo guys, today I'm going to show you how to configure FTP client with your server. So we need FTP client to upload our local file to server. So there has lot of FTP clients. Personally, I use FileZilla, that is most popular one. So this video I will do it in. I will use FileZilla for this video. Also there has CyberDuck and Qt FTP. There's lot of file FTP clients, so I recommend to use FileZilla. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, open your FileZilla. When you open it, you will see something like this. After that, you have to go to FTP. Where is FTP? There is FTP Connect account. Just click on FTP account, and you need login name for here. This is like username, so I will select like lazy, and you need password. Okay, I will generate a password. Oh, you will see my password. No way. Let me, what is those hosting? I don't even know about that. By the way, let me build my password. Okay, I generate a password. So before that I have to select my domain. So my domain is lazyfullstackdeveloper.com. After that I have to select my directory. So my directory will be lazyfullstackdeveloper.com, but I am not sure it's correct one. I need to check my directory. So for check my directory, I go to my C panel. After that I go to file manager. In there I have home, my CAVAAG, I don't know what is that. After that I go to public HTML. So I just click on public HTML. public HTML. So yeah, in here I have to add public HTML slash my this is the directory which I want, so I select it. After that I add my code as unlimited, then I create FTP account. It's created. So this is our FTP account. So let's see. Yeah, this is it. So I click on configuration. Then you can pick FTP configuration file by here, but I don't need to do it because thing located in here. So I open my FileZilla. After that my FTP username is this. So I copy my FTP username and paste it here. This is my FTP server. Oh man, copy it, and server mean host. Is that my server? By the way, okay. After that my port is 21. Then I add 21 here. After that I need to add my password, so I will add my password. Okay, I add my password. After that I click on quick connect. If there has no errors, it should be connect to our server and our file list will be load here. Okay, it's connecting. Waiting. Connection is not loading, so I will just really cancel. Yes, I will cancel it. I know the issue of this, so I add my host as FTP server. So I am going to add my server my server IP address. So I hope that will fix this issue. So this is my IP address. I copy it and I paste it on here. After that this will be 21. Press on quick connect. Yeah, that is the issue. So if you got any kind of errors, just try to change your server. So now I am at that directory. So I will create new file. I create new file. That file will be let's create a text file and upload it to our window. So I will open Notepad plus. After that I will create new file. That file name will be there's h1 tag, h1, and I will add I am lazy. So after that I have to save it. So where I am going to save it. Okay, I will save it in my desktop. So file will be index.html. So I create index.html file. After that, in left side you can go to your desktop. So this is my desktop. I click on desktop. So this section will be load all file on my desktop. So this is my index.html file. I just click on it and click the OK. Tada! It's uploaded. So this file is in our server. So let's see it's really go to our server. We can check our server file using file manager. If you didn't check my previous video, just check it and you will see what I am talking. So this is that file. It's upload today for 23 PM. So current time is 4:24. Okay, let's check our website work or not. So our website is lazydeveloper.com. Yeah, it's working. I am lazy. Yeah, I know it. So our FTP client working correctly. So I hope you get how to create FTP client. What I'm saying. I hope you understand how to create FTP client. So how to configure FTP client with your server. Okay. So I'm going to stop this video. If you like this video, make sure to like it. If you enjoy the video and if you think this video helpful, feel free to share this video. And if you want this kind of stuff, just press subscribe button. Okay, I will see you in next video. Bye.